Hi guys, need to show in this video how to do forms work, plastic sheet, level 57 stone using laser level, and the plumbing work. You can see plumbing work, everything is tested, and do electrical conduit, and you can see put plastic sheet and tape, plastic sheet and tape. You can see plastic sheet and tape, chairs, and tension wires, tension rebars. You can see rebars this way, rebars this way. You can see rebars this way. Sitting on chairs. Okay, plumbing work, plastic and foam work. So you can see here for this. Okay. Rebar, plastic sheet. You can see the plastic sheet. The plastic is the yellow, and the wire tension is green. You can see tape, all that work, tension wire from this side and this side, ready to pour concrete. You can see projector with generator work. Okay, foam work, so they will pour concrete to be like other slab over there, and install all the thread at the edge. Okay guys, this video about slab work and tension wire this side and the other side, and all the plumbing work, electrical conduit done. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. I will upload more videos. Thank you guys, bye.